Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh hot dog. I love hot dogs, especially over the summertime. If you like hot dogs, what's your favorite topping? I'll tell you my favorite topping a little later. First, you need to know what we need to get started. You need light brown, red, and yellow Play-Doh. You also need a Play-Doh rolling pin and knife. But if you don't have a Play-Doh knife, that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask an adult's permission first. Let's get started. The light brown to make the bun for the hot dog. Which today we are going to be using mustard. I'm not the biggest fan of mustard. My favorite kind of hot dog is when it just has ketchup on it. I love ketchup. To assemble our hot dog. This is my delicious hot dog. It looks so good, I almost want to eat it. Keyword, almost. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.